with a severe anxiety disorder. So what do you do with that person? So you say, well, are they afraid of the phone? Well, no. What are they afraid of? Well, they're afraid of anomalies in human interaction, right? They're afraid of something unexpected happening while they're trying to impose a structure. And the reason they're afraid of that is because they never learned that they were capable of dealing with the emergence of something new on an ongoing basis, which meant that, well, which meant in all likelihood that when they were children, they were so sheltered from any contact with those aspects of being that transcend knowledge that they never learned that there was something inside of them that would reveal itself if they were allowed the opportunity to encounter the unknown, to encounter fear, then to master it, then to extract out something of value. So they can't get a job because they can't use the phone. And it isn't because they can't use the phone, right? It's a deeper story than that. It's because they're terrified of this, and they have no idea that they have some resource they could draw on to combat it. And you could say, well, we can teach them to use the phone, right? Say, well, you know, here's a repertoire of stock lines that you might use, you know, like small talk at a party. And that would increase what they know and enable them to deal with the unknown. Or you could say, look, you know, relax a little bit. When the person says something on the phone that you don't understand, pause a little bit. Think about what they're saying. Pay attention to them. Allow yourself the luxury of formulating a response. You'll do fine. And even if you do it badly the first half a dozen times, well, you'll learn eventually. And the person derives from that the notion that not only can they cope on the phone, but that possibly there's more to them that originally met the eye.